All right, guys, we are ready to walk through the calculations for the last step of this real-world quadratic functions project. So what we've already done, we've already brought a picture into Desmos and mapped it with a parabola. We found a, b, and c values for that parabola and wrote an equation in standard form using those a, b, and c values. Now what we're going to do is we are going to use 3 points that we can pick out of our graph to then work out algebraically a, b, and c values for your parabola, and we'll see how close you are to the calculations that you can compare them to in Desmos. All right, so first step is find 3 points on your graph. One of your points needs to be your y-intercept. So when we were tracing these, I told you guys, make sure your graph crosses the y-axis and try and make it happen at a whole number. So here's my c value. My c value is 12. My y-intercept is 12 because that's where it crosses the x-axis. So my first point that I'm going to choose on this graph is the point 0, 12 here. All right, so I need to find 2 other points, and I'm going to try and find points that cross at whole numbers. So I'm just kind of tracing my graph, and I'm looking. That one's almost a whole number. Let's see here. Here, look at this one. This one crosses, let's see, this is, I'm going up by 1, so I'm going up by 5. This is a point 10, 5. So here's the point 10, 5. It crosses that nice whole number there. That's going to be easy to work with. Okay, so that's one on the positive side. Let's just go over here and see if I can find another one on the other side. You can choose any 3 points. Actually, this one looks really close too. Okay, so this is the point, -1, -2, -2, +6. Okay, so I'm going to choose this point as well. So I have 3 points. First one is 0, 12. Second one is 10, 5. And third one is -2, 6. So using those 3 points, you can move on to the next video where I can walk you through the calculations where you can find values of a, b, and c for your parabola, and then we'll compare it to Desmos and see how close you got. All right, so move on over to that video and you can keep your calculations going.